Big Bass Balecki and I were just on the phone. He says, Bonzo, switch it up to a wacky rig. That was the first cast. I tell you what, that Big Bass Balecki knows his shit. Jesus. Two casts. Wacky rig. Folks, this is unbelievable. Caught one fish all morning. Big Bass Balecki tells me to switch up to the wacky rig. And to say the least, it's been a lot of fun. Oh, excuse me.
Oh,
sorry.
Are you Jonny Bonzo?
I am.
Oh my God, my husband watches you all the time.
Are you kidding me? Nice to meet you.
It's
Holy
nice
cow.
to meet you too. My name's Carrie. Can we take a picture for
Oh,
him?
sure.
Oh my
You
God.
got a camera?
Yeah,
oh
I
my
sure
God,
do.
this is crazy.
And his best friend.
Really?
We were watching one of the videos and we were like, that's close by. I bet he lives in the neighborhood.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you.
You too. All right, here we go. Thank you.
No problem. I love it.
Good luck fishing.
Thank you. The wacky rig's been on fire. Sometimes you got to throw all the technology and the expensive stuff out and just go back to old school. It's been a couple of years since I've thrown the wacky rig. That's going right back at the top of the list for sure. Boy, folks, I miss that tick you get on the old wacky rig. Look at this bomb. Jesus. Folks, I just saw an absolute giant swim by. I threw the wacky rig out in front of it. Ba-boom! But it wasn't the fish I saw. I'll still take it. So folks, they're having a really hard time resisting. I don't know if it's the worm or the way I'm wiggling it. Boom. They're aggressive. They're fattening up too. Nice little bass. Catching a bunch again today.
Jonny,
Bonzo.
and double. Bonzo. Oh, Bonzo.
Yeah. How you doing?
Hi, how are you doing?
Fishing good today. 10.
Already 10. Wow. Nice. Okay, enjoy.
Thanks, man. Have a good day. Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Folks, it's the fish of the day. All right, folks, just wrapping up. The rain is coming. Look at this bomb. Woo! Fish of the day. I love it. Listen, folks, I spend as much money as anybody on all the crazy lures and stuff. Went back old school. Big Bass Balecki called me. Use the Senko. Use the Wacky rig. I absolutely smashed them today, folks. If you enjoyed this video whatsoever, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. Woo! Yes, sir.